As a busy professional, it's important to know when your teammates are planning on going to the office. Time is your most valuable asset. Our new homepage feature brings together everyone's schedule for the week alongside yours in one single view. If you coordinate with your teammates on a regular basis in person, but struggle to know when they'll be in the office, you will find My Starred Colleagues extremely useful. Just go to your directory and find the people you want to follow by hitting the star next to their name. By starring the teammates you connect with the most, you get to stay in complete lockstep with their cadence by getting notified in advance when they're going to be in the office, making it easy to schedule meetings and coordinate projects. And if they cancel their booking at the last minute, Kadence sends you an instant notification to let you know so you can decide what you'd like to do, saving you a commute to the office that day. Click the link in the description to learn how to set up Starred Colleagues. When you're always on the go, knowing where you need to be and which spaces you've reserved beforehand is essential for saving time. With the new homepage schedule, you can now see all of your bookings, as well as who else is going to be there at the same time as you, all in one view. You can check in, manage your bookings, and if a starred colleague has made a booking on a day when you've planned to work remotely, Kadence lets you know, so you can decide if you'd like to join them that day. And that's not all. With our new office activity feature, you get to see which teams are in the office and how busy the office is on any day that week. So, if you feel like planning to go to the office when it's busy so you can catch up with teammates, or if you need to focus on a project and would prefer a quiet space, Kadence makes it easy. Connecting with the people you need and being productive with your time couldn't be easier. Kadence, find your rhythm.